Now we'll see how we can install Arduino IDE in computer. So this will be the software that we'll be using to program A.I.miracle AI bricks for the syntax-based programming. For this, we have to search here. I can simply write arduino.cc on the address bar. Here it automatically shows downloads. You click on that link and it will take you to download and it will automatically take you to download and installing. So this is up to you if you want to accept, reject, or you simply want to hide it. Now over this page you can see this is the page for downloading Arduino, and you can see here that you are shown the operating system at this corner. So whichever operating system you are working with, you can choose the link here and download it. So we are working with Windows 64-bit one. So and here it asks for contribution. You can, if you want to go for it, you can give it. You can simply click on just download. It will ask you for email, but this is also optional. You just click on just download and it starts downloading here like this. You can see it downloads over here. Fine. So once the downloading is done, we can go to downloads folder and find the file. So we'll simply click here once the download is done, and you can see the file is visible over here. So this is our installable file. Now we just need to double click on this and just proceed installation. Likewise, so when you click on this I agree, it goes to install to all the users, then it seeks your permission and then agreement again, and then it starts installing. So once the software is installed, you just need to proceed with this. So we can see that it is showing us a pop-up wherein it is saying that do you want to install the USB driver for Arduino. This is the most important part. If you do not install these drivers, it will not detect your device. So you need to make sure that all of these drivers should be installed properly, and you have to click on install. You can ask for generic driver installation also for all the USB driver installations. Will ask, and you have to give permissions. So once all of these permissions are given, it will install all the libraries, all the drivers which are necessary, so that it can be plug and play when we start working with the devices. So once we are done downloading Arduino IDE, we have to install the board in that software. To configure your Arduino IDE to connect with ESP32 boards and be able to write programs for it, we need to configure it. And for configuring, we need to put certain links here. So those links you can find by just simply writing on Google ESP-RSF, ESP32 link for Arduino IDE. And on this first search result, which is here shown here, of the same company, you have to click on the documentation. Once you click on the documentation, you can see this page. On this page, you have to copy this link. You have to copy this link, open Arduino IDE. Now we will go to File, and in File we will go to Preferences. In Preferences, we have to paste a link. Paste it over here. Copy the link and paste it. So this is the link. I'll drop this link in the documentation section, and so you can download it from there directly, and the link is available online also. So you can simply click OK here. Install the board. So for that purpose, we'll go to this section, Tools, and we'll go to Board Manager. In the Board Manager section, you can see a side window coming over here. It's like a sidebar. Okay, and here there's a search bar. Here we'll write ESP32. Enter. So start searching for it. So this second one here, this second one is the package that you should have in your computer. So you will install this one by clicking on the install button given here like this. So the process of installing this board is in progress. As you can see, the bar is moving ahead. Once this installation is completed, The IDE will be ready to work with ESP32, and it gives you the messages that there are updates available for libraries, and it do this all automatically. So we have to give this permission so that it can cross the firewall to access the servers. So now the installation of our ESP32 board is done. So in this board section, you can see this ESP32 is now visible. So as there are many boards shown, while working with any one of them, you have to choose which one is your board. So in A.I.miracle classwork and class activities, we'll be working with ESP32 VROM DA module. So we'll select this board as our default board.